Realme revealed that it will launch the Realme Neo 7 SE on February 25th in China. It will be available Mecha Blue, Silver, and Black color. Realme has officially announced its collaboration with DeepSeek R1. Realme Neo 7 SE feature the Dimensity 8400 Max chip, to 24GB RAM and 1TB storage options. As seen in the official teaser, starting price of 2,000 yuan. The Realme Neo 7 SE will house a 1.5K resolution OLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate support. An in-screen fingerprint sensor. The Neo 7 SE will feature a 16-megapixel front-facing camera, Sony IMX880 250-megapixel main camera, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. It will pack a 7,000 mAh battery. Supports up to 80W charging. It also offers AI-powered features such as rewriting, contextual replies, media generation, AI recording, and translation. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.